I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll go over to the charging speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Realme X2 Pro Duo. As you can see, this is a Realme X2 Pro and it's the iQOO 7 smartphone. And recently, I did upload a video on the charging speed test comparison between all this kind of smartphones. So make sure to check this video, friends, which I uploaded in the Epic comparison playlist. You will find this kind of video, which is a charging speed test. In that, I did not include the Realme X2 Pro device, and a lot of users, they really want me to do the charging speed test comparison between these two phones. So just testing which phone will be having slightly faster and how many minutes can it be difference between the iQOO 7 versus the Realme X2 Pro device. Let's compare the first basic hardware differences. The iQOO 7 comes with the 4400 mAh of battery capacity and 66 watt of flash charge, which I'm trying to use. And whereas the Realme X2 Pro comes with the 4000 mAh of battery with 50 watt super walk charger. So this is a 4000 mAh battery and this is a 4400 mAh of battery. Slightly 400 milliampere, slightly more than the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro got launched, I think, 1.5 years back, and during that time it was a really powerful phone with a fast charging and everything together. So these are the default charger which I'll be trying to use during this time of testing. So super walk charger, and this is a flash charge 66 watts, as you can see. So same chargers I'll try to use during this time of testing, and he's a stopwatch ready as well. So let's get started, friends. Again, I'll be back 1 second at the chargers. So even I'm trying to use the same kind of cable solely, which is the yellow color cable for the Realme and white color cable for the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends, both phones started the 1% exactly. So exactly 1%. I did start the stopwatch as well, as you can clearly see here. So both are 1% right now. So this is a stopwatch. I'll try to record the timings for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 30 minutes as well. Which phone is charging how much kind of percentage. Meanwhile, let's focus on the temperature. My room temperature is 29 degrees right now and my phone temperature is 30 degrees. Pretty normal, as you can see. Even the back side as well, 30 degrees everywhere. As you can see, completely the phone. So 30, and let's check the Realme X2 Pro. So this is another thing where we'll be concentrating the temperatures as well. 30 degrees, 30, and back side 30. So overall, both phones, they do have the same kind of temperatures in the beginning. So that is another thing which I'll be concentrating, which phone can actually get higher temperatures. That's the most important thing as well when you're trying to do this kind of fast charging. So already it's been close to 1 minute of time. Let's see in the 1 minute, out of curiosity, which phone will charge how much kind of percentage. So in 1 minute, 3% and still 1% in the Realme X2 Pro device. So maybe it will try to gain the momentum later on, I think so, with the Realme X2 Pro. So let's see, friends, what will happen after the 10 minutes. Again, I'll be back, and in that way we'll be able to check which phone has got how much kind of percentage after 10 minutes. And now again, I'll try to write down the temperature readings as well. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of continuously charging these both phones, iQOO 7 and the Realme X2 Pro. Let's check exactly 10 minutes what is the charging percentage in both devices. I'm really excited to see. And 48% and 43%, as you can see, friends, 48. The iQOO 7 is kind of charging 48 and 43. Not bad. And at this moment, let's check which phone has got what type of temperatures. That's another thing. So let's check the front side, 35 degrees. So 35 degrees is the maximum recorded temperature in the front side. And Realme X2 Pro has got 34 degrees, as you can see on the front side. So even the 35 degrees in the bottom as well, somewhere. So both phones have the 35 degrees. In the back side, 35 and 35. So overall, I'm experiencing 35 is the highest so far recorded backside temperatures, 35 degrees. And the iQOO 7 phone reached exactly 50% around 10 minutes and 45 seconds, I think 40 seconds. In the Realme X2 Pro, still it's 47%. And the back side, it's of 33 degrees and 35 degrees, as you can see, friends. So overall, in terms of the temperatures, both phones, they're having the same kind of 35 degrees temperatures only at this point. So again, I'll be back exactly after 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes, we'll get to know which phone has got what kind of speeds. So usually what happens is that the iQOO 7 phone, this phone will charge really fast in the few percentage, and later it will get really slow. Maybe close to 90 to 100%. It will take really, I think, close to 15 minutes of time, from 90 to 100% only for 10 minutes to charge. Yes. So that is one thing which I did observe here. So usually I think this phone will reach around 90% by 25 minutes, and its full charge will take sometime around 33 minutes to 35 minutes sometimes. In the Realme X2 Pro, this will go on with the full speed continuously. Same speed it will try to maintain till the end. That is the reason this phone was able to charge really faster. But let's see in our testing which phone will keep up with that kind of race. That is what I'm going to compare between both phones. As you can see, the gap is decreasing between both phones. So 55 and 52. You can see here, friends, the gap started to decrease little by little, because the iQOO 7 speed slowly started to decrease. It will try to decrease little bit. So here's plenty of videos which are uploaded on the Realme X2 Pro charging test in my channel. Just type in the YouTube Realme X2 Pro charging SciTech Guru. You'll find all my videos which are uploaded on the Realme X2 Pro only. And these are charging tests which I did 2 weeks back after using 575 days. As you can see friends, still the phone was able to charge within 30 minutes of time. That's fantastic with this phone. That is the reason a lot of users are really happy with the Realme X2 Pro, particularly right now, the users who are enjoying this kind of phone because of the fast charging and better performance. So even though the phone is really old phone. So I'm going to be back after 20 minutes of charging these two devices. Let's see friends, in 20 minutes which phone can charge, how much. Just last time I'll try to check and I'll try to close it, 59 and 57. So right now we are getting close to 20 minutes of time friends. As you can see, 20 minutes of continuously charging these both phones. Let's see which phone is kind of charged at what kind of speed, and let's check the temperatures first. 35 degrees pretty normal, and 34 degrees not bad, 35 degrees in the bottom. So same phones, so both phones are having same temperatures, same type of temperatures can be found. Even the back at 36 degrees, so somewhere around the 36.2. as you can see, back side slightly increased 36 but not much, 36.4. let's check the back side how much it will be there, 35.8, but nothing much more than that. As you can see, my room temperature is pretty normal, it's 30 degrees only. My room temperature, as you can see friends, it's nothing much. So let's check what will be the battery percentage exactly around 20 minutes of charging. That is a really interesting thing to see. So 1 2 3 81. As you can see friends, both phones are exactly same, 81%, as you can see. So that's really good friends, that's really good to see. 81% both phones in 20 minutes, that's wonderful. And temperature slightly 1 degree more in the IQ7 device. So Realme X2 Pro has got same kind of 35 degrees only, and IQ7 slightly backside I did say the 36 degrees improvement. So overall in terms of the charging speed, as you can see, 81% versus 81%, same percentage. So let's see friends what will happen. So whether which phone can actually charge below 30 minutes as well, that is another thing. Because right now I can definitely say, I think sometimes the Realme X2 Pro charged around 29 minutes. To be specific, 29 minutes 30 seconds. The Realme X2 Pro got charged sometimes. That is the fastest I have seen in my unit. So that is the one thing. So I need to keep a track of this full charge as well, when the phone can actually get full charge. That's the one thing. And IQ7, my fastest time was about close to 32 minutes of time in the IQ7 device. My fastest time so far. Let's see which phone will be there till that time, and again I'll be back at the 30 minutes of time. Maybe if the phone gets full charge, again I'll be back at that time. So right now, as you can see friends, the Realme phone started to overtake the IQ7 device as well. So 86% and 85%. Just now it did overtake the IQ7 device. So this is one thing which I thought of mentioning. As you can see friends, around 27 minutes exactly, both phones are kind of close to each other. As you can see, 97 and 98%. This is where the Realme X2 Pro slightly wins. As you can see, 97 and 98. You can clearly see friends the time as well, 28 minutes right now. You can see. So let's see which phone will charge the 100%. That's what I'm going to check. I am very curious to see. It's kind of really neck to neck between these both phones. So it's really interesting to see the IQ7. For some users, the IQ7 is charging really slow. So I'll just advise you one thing. So please try to keep the surrounding temperature really low. So try to keep at least 30 degrees. So when you're trying to charge the phone, then only then the phone will be able to charge faster. Try to disable mobile data, Wi-Fi connection, clear all the background applications. Maybe try to charge the phone in switch off mode. So 99%, as you can see, 99% in the Realme X2 Pro, and we are getting close to that time as well. 28 minutes. As I said, this phone can charge within 29 minutes sometimes. So that's what I'm going to check friends. This is a really interesting see. If this phone, 1.5-year-old mobile phone friends, it's really shocking to see the performance, the battery, the charging speed, the display. It's really amazing in this phone. 97%. So right now it's kind of 99%, 98 and 99, as you can see friends. How much speed? So the Realme X2 Pro, they did claim the phone can charge within 35 minutes, but we are actually getting charging within 30 minutes sometimes. So depending on the luck. So right now it's 29 minutes, as you can see clearly, 29 minutes. As you can see friends, exactly 29 minutes and 38 seconds, the phone got completely charged to 100% in the Realme X2 Pro, and the IQ7 is at 98%, as you can see. So you can clearly see friends, the winner is the Realme X2 Pro. I do know the phone has got really less battery capacity as well, and but slightly slow fast charging as well. That is another thing. As you can see, 29 minutes the Realme X2 Pro completely got charged. from 0 to 100 percentage right now in the 2021, even though the phone got launched I think 2019. So back then, it's really great to see. And 29 minutes of time. Let's see how much more time the iQ7 actually needs to completely get fully charged. And the temperatures around the final time, it's about 33. As you can see, 33 degrees, not much. 32 and 33, the final temperatures in this phone. Let's try to switch on the phone. Let's see. Sometimes what happens is that some mobile phones, they'll charge, even this iQ7 also got charged in 30 minutes and 36 seconds. As you can see friends, 30 minutes finally. I think this is my fastest time to see, I think so, on the iQ7 device to charge within this much of time. It's really great to see. So charging close to 30 minutes of time, 29 minutes and 30 minutes of time the iQ7 took to charge. So it's really good to see friends, as you can see, 30 minutes. So overall, both phones kind of win-win situation only, because I cannot say that Realme X2 Pro is a really winner, because the phone has got really less battery capacity, but still the iQ7 has got more fast charging and more capacity, but it's kind of, I think, close to tie, because there is only 1 minute difference is there. Nothing much difference. If you take a look, let me try to quickly start the both phones. I'm trying to start the both phones. Let's see after restarting which phone will have how much kind of battery percentage. That is what I'm going to check friends. Sometimes some phones, they'll definitely show the less battery capacity. So if the phone gets charged 100% after you restart, they'll be around 99%. Let's see whether that will happen or not. That will decide which phone is a winner at this point. That is what I'm going to test friends. So even I'm very curious to see which phone will be having what kind of battery percentage. So this kind of test I added to the later on. So 99% in the iQ7 device, you can see 99%. In the Realme X2 Pro, let me try to quickly unlock the phone to show you. 99% in the Realme X2 Pro as well, as you can see. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness so you will be able to see it. Sorry. So 99% in the Realme X2 Pro as well. So both phones are kind of really close to each other, so in every manner. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos in case if you are interested to watch this kind of speed test or charging speed test. I can definitely do comparison with other mobile phones as well in the future. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.